If you're looking for a brush that is multifunctional across so many areas of your face, I've basically just done my entire makeup with this one brush. I have been a makeup artist for around 20 years and making handmade luxury brushes for about 10 of those years. And there's a reason that I have multiples of this very brush in my kit, and I'm going to tell you why. Hello. I recently did a quick video about our 214 brush. I was talking about how this is the star of the moment, and it's because it's one of our most multifunctional brushes in the range. In the other video I just kind of talked about what it does, but I thought, why not do a video that actually shows you what it does? It is so good for concealer. It is brilliant for if you want a really light foundation, and by light I don't mean an all over coverage where it's a light natural finish. I mean sometimes you don't need to wear foundation completely all over your face and you just want a little bit here and a little bit there, and this is a beautiful brush for doing that. It's also perfect for powdering in small areas if you don't want powder or your whole face powdered. It is the perfect size for buffing out eyeshadow. That gets into your crease so well. And it's gorgeous for a bit of highlight, a bit of blush. It is a super fluffy brush, and if you haven't tried this yet, oh, you're gonna love it. I have just had a spray tan this morning, so I'm darker than I usually am, so I'm gonna pick a different concealer than I would usually use. These are just creamy concealers, so I would usually use the NARS pot concealer, but I'm going to go for this because I have a darker colour in it. And I'm just going to put it like under my eyes where I feel I need it. Especially when I'm wearing a spray tan. I feel like it does a lot of the work for me. It's beautiful. It gives a really, really nice finish. So it's good for patting to build coverage, but also like beautifully fluffy for diffusing. So I also have a lot of redness around the nose, and I'm just going to give that a little go. You can see how light I'm actually pressing here. I also get a lot of discoloration around here. So that's it with concealer. Can also use it with foundation. I love a bit of MAC full coverage because it's such a versatile foundation. It's a cream based foundation, and it allows you to build a full coverage, or depending on the brush you're using, you can just have a little bit of light coverage. One of the things I love about it is it allows you to kind of like put placement where you want the product rather than fully overloading your face. Really nice. I will show it with some blush. I'll pick this nice little peachy one. It picks up product really beautifully as well. Oh, she's pretty. So you can see it does allow you to buff a really light coverage and also then like tap to build coverage as well, but you just get it exactly where you want it. And another thing that I said it was perfect for is eyeshadow. So I'm just going for this light brown colour. So one of the things I love about it for eyeshadow is, now as a 40+ woman, our skin gets looser, right? And these bristles are so beautifully soft and fluffy that there is zero drag on my skin. And that's a big thing whenever you have looser skin, let's say. Now to show you how well it buffs, what I'm going to do is take my 203 mini kitten paw brush, another firm favourite, and I'm going to go into this darker colour, and I'm going to place it around the outer corner, but I'm not going to blend it because I want you to see how well the 214 will blend this out for me. It blends it beautifully. So if you find that you have hooded eyes or loose skin around your eyes, this is a really good brush for that, for blending without like trailing your eyes, the skin around your eyelid. Really, really nice. Well, I'm devastated. My camera stopped recording through that. So I did go on to talk about how I was using the Benefit Cookie highlighter, and using that, just you can see this gorgeous glow around the cheeks. And it is because it's such a fluffy brush, you can get a really like natural finish, or you can like do a little tappy tap for a pop where you want it. As a makeup artist, like, control is everything. Because we work on different size faces, I think one of the biggest keys to beautiful makeup is being able to control the product where you want it to go. So now I'm just having a double highlighter day, but sure, when was that ever a problem for anyone in life? Another thing I love it for is when you want that little dab of powder, but you don't want to take away the beautiful sheen that you've created, and you just want it mattified in certain places. It's so good for that. So there you have it. The 214 is the ultimate multitasker. It's pretty much my entire makeup done with this one brush. Well, two of this one brush. I like to have multiple of each of these brushes. This and the 203 mini kitten paw brush, I have multiples of those as well because they are such a multifunctional brush. So there you go, the 214 in all of its glory. Thanks for watching. Bye.